video, we're going to talk about the top 5 myths that I'm constantly hearing in regards to the VA loan. What's going on, everybody? It's me, Eddy Casimir, your local realtor right here in Palm Beach County. If this is your first time checking out my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe and hit that bell so you can be notified of any videos that I make regards to Palm Beach. Today, we're going to talk about something simple. The top 5 myths that I'm constantly hearing in regards to VA loan. So I want to say thank you to my mortgage lender who notified me some of these information that they also hearing, because I had constantly hearing these things, so I had to go and ask them and get that information. So this will help you and makes you understand. So when you hear these things, don't believe them. They are a myth. So number 1 myth is about appraisal. Okay, a lot of people are saying VA appraisal are harder or tougher or more complicated and so on. It's not true. The houses literally goes by the value. Plain and simple. Mortgage does not deter the value. So don't believe when they tell you VA appraisal, VA appraisers are going to be tougher or harder. Just know that VA loans got their own VA appraisers. So don't believe that they are going to be tougher on the appraisal. That is a pure myth. All right. Myth number 2. Myth number 2, let me see. It takes longer to close. No, it doesn't. It does not take longer to close. In VA, they require 21 days. In some cases, you'll see 15 days for closing. All right. But again, it doesn't take any longer. So don't believe that myth when they tell you, oh, a VA loan is going to take much longer to close. It takes more 45 and so on. No, 21 is usually the most. If it takes longer, it's due to the VA appraisal. The VA appraisal sometimes, since the VA use their own appraisers, it can take 10 to 12 days. Everything else is still the same. So 21 is the max. In some cases, I've seen it close in 15 days. All right. So again, don't believe that myth. And myth number 3, tougher to qualify for. Yeah, right. No, it's not true. It is not tougher to qualify for. It's actually easier. Not easier. I can't say easier. It's actually not as tough. VA are one of the most liberal loans that you can actually get. In some cases, you get 0 down and so on. So don't think that it's harder. It's not. Okay, you qualify, you apply for it, and you still get the same amount of time, the same terms. In some cases, you get the best term, best interest rates, best rates in general. And with 0 down, can't beat it. So don't think that it's harder to qualify for. Number 4, seller has to pay the veteran's closing costs. The only fee that a seller would have to pay, assuming that the lender is not charging all these junk charges, is the termite fee, which is varies between $75 to $125. So the myth of sellers paying your closing costs, not true. Number 5, VA loan amount or loan limits follows the conventional loan limits amount. So in South Florida, it's about $514,000. That is a myth, people. In some cases, VA has jumbo loans. In a case of one of my lenders actually notified me, informed me one of the veterans got up to $900,000 to close on a property with a VA loan with 0 down. It's all about their qualification. Okay, let me read it. It goes off to the veteran's eligibility and certain calculation, and that can tell us how much they can qualify for in their terms. Okay, so don't believe the myth when they tell you that you only limited to a certain amount. Number 1 myth that I'm hearing right now, there's a limit, we don't know, and so on and so on. So don't believe. You always have to contact your professional. You can contact me, or you can contact any one of my team who will be able to answer those questions, and we'll actually direct you with the actual mortgage broker who qualifies for VA. We'll get you the number 5 myth that I'm constantly hearing right now. Hopefully that answers some questions for you and able to help you resolve your VA. If you're a veteran, have any question, make sure you email me, send me a text. However you want to reach me, go ahead and reach me. I'll answer any question you may have, or you can comment below. Make sure if you like this video, click on that subscribe bell, like, all that you can. Reach out to me if you need me. I am here for you to answer any questions you may like. Again, this is Eddy Casimir, your local realtor right here in Palm Beach County. with Orca Homes. Until next time,